Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Our today's project is about ship's propeller and propeller shaft. This is 5 blade propeller mounting on a balancing stand or balance our propeller. Balancing is so much important. Actually, the propeller is two types. One is fixed piece propeller, which piece is fixed for movement, forward movement and backward movement. Engine rotation is changed, and another propeller is controllable piece propeller, which piece can control manually, automatically, hydraulically. This is a new propeller machining. 180-inch propeller. This propeller is going to test it cracking. For this reason we use crack finding paste, and this is a wood to turn it propeller shaft bush. What is the actual work of a ship's propeller? A propeller pulls or passes you forward or backward by hurling a mass of water behind it. This is turning work. A rough metal is turned to a bush. Finally, bush is made to use. There are 3 bushes. This is the coupling. Final fitting of bush. And this is our propeller shaft, which is wear down by contact of seawater and need it scrubbing and grinding. After grinding, the wear down is visible and clear to observe. For this reason, to save our propeller, we will use cordon packing. It's cordon. By cordon packing, our propeller will not attacked by seawater, and propeller shaft slip. Its machining is running. This is final machining. After completing its proper machining, then it will be ready to use. This is the final machining and everything already done. Now the fitting work is running. This is the stern tube fitting. After stern tube, now propeller is going to fit, and propeller fitting complete. After completing our propeller fitting, before of it we fit our propeller shaft. At first propeller shaft fitting, then stern tube, then propeller, then rudder and rudder shaft alignment checking and fitting. After this procedure, we can complete our propeller shaft fitting and propeller and rudder fit work. So guys, this is all. Thanks for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum.